In this video, we will solve bearing problems using law of cosines. We will solve two examples step by step. Let's begin. Problem number 1. Two fishing boats leave a coastal town at the same time to fish in different areas of the sea. The first boat travels on a bearing of north 66 degrees west, at 52 kilometers per hour. The second boat travels on a bearing of south 26 degrees west, at 48 kilometers per hour. The question is, how far apart will the boats be after 2 hours? First, determine the distance traveled by the two fishing boats. The first boat travels 52 kilometers per hour. After 2 hours, the distance is 52 times 2 equals 104 kilometers. The second boat travels 48 kilometers per hour. After 2 hours, the distance is 48 times 2 equals 96 kilometers. Next, let's draw the diagram. Let the starting point be C. From point C, the first boat travels on a bearing of north 66 degrees west, and reaches point A, 104 kilometers away. The second boat travels on a bearing of south 26 degrees west, and reaches point B, 96 kilometers away. We now form triangle ABC. Next step, find the included angle. To find the angle between the two paths, add 66 degrees and 26 degrees. The sum is 92 degrees. Since they are measured from opposite north-south directions, subtract from 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 92 degrees equals 88 degrees. So the angle between paths, or angle C, is 88 degrees. Now look at this triangle. We have side, angle, side. Since this is SAS, we will be using the law of cosines. Our goal is to find the distance between the two fishing boats. Notice that this distance is opposite angle C. Therefore, we will call it side C. So, we will use the formula C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. In the given triangle, angle C equals 88 degrees. The opposite side of angle A is 96 kilometers. So side A is 96 kilometers. The opposite side of angle B is 104 kilometers. Side B is 104 kilometers. Let's substitute the values. C squared equals 96 squared plus 104 squared minus 2 times 96 times 104 times cosine of 88 degrees. You can enter this directly into your scientific calculator. But here is the complete solution. 96 squared is 9,216. 104 squared is 10,816. 9,216 plus 10,816 equals 20,032. Now 2 times 96 times 104 is 19,968. So C squared equals 20,032 minus 19,968 times cosine of 88 degrees. Cosine of 88 degrees is approximately equal to 0.0349. 19,968 times 0.0349 is equal to 696.8832. So C squared is approximately equal to 20,032 minus 696.8832. C squared is approximately equal to 19,335.1168. To find the value of C, take the square root of both sides. Square root of C squared is C. Square root of 19,335.1168 is approximately equal to 139.1. For the final answer, the two fishing boats are approximately 139.1 kilometers apart after 2 hours. Problem number 2. A plane leaves airport A and travels 930 kilometers to airport C on a bearing of north 34 degrees east. From airport C, it travels 640 kilometers to airport B on a bearing of south 74 degrees east. Find the distance from airport A to airport B. Let's solve. First, let's draw the diagram. The plane starts at airport A. From airport A, it travels 930 kilometers on a bearing of north 34 degrees east and reaches airport C. Next, from airport C, the plane travels 640 kilometers on a bearing of south 74 degrees east and reaches airport B. If you look at the figure, the three airports form a triangle. Now, let's find the angle at airport C. The given bearing from airport A to airport C is north 34 degrees east. However, the angle at airport C uses the direction from airport C back to airport A. The reverse bearing of north 34 degrees east is south 34 degrees west. From airport C to airport B, the bearing is south 74 degrees east. Therefore, the angle at airport C is 34 degrees plus 74 degrees, which is equal to 108 degrees. So, angle C is 108 degrees. Now look at the triangle. We have side, angle, side. Since this is SAS, we will use the law of cosines. We need to find the distance from airport A to airport B. This side is opposite angle C, meaning we are solving for side C. So we use C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. In the triangle, side A equals 640 kilometers, side B equals 930 kilometers, and angle C equals 108 degrees. Let's substitute the values. C squared equals 640 squared plus 930 squared minus 2 times 640 times 930 times cosine of 108 degrees. Again, you can enter this directly into your scientific calculator. But here is the complete solution. 640 squared equals 409,600. 930 squared equals 864,900. 409,600 plus 864,900 equals 1,274,500. Next, 2 times 640 times 930 equals 1,190,400. So C squared equals 1,274,500 minus 1,190,400 times cosine of 108 degrees. Cosine 108 degrees is approximately equal to negative 0.309. 1,190,400 times negative 0.309 equals negative 367,833.6. Therefore, C squared is approximately equal to 1,274,500 minus negative 367,833.6. Subtracting a negative becomes addition. So C squared is approximately equal to 1,274,500 plus 367,833.6. C squared is approximately equal to 1,642,333.6. Now take the square root of both sides. C is approximately 1,281.54. Therefore, the distance from airport A to airport B is approximately 1,281.54 kilometers. And that's it. We are done solving bearing problems using the law of cosines. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.